What's up, guys? It's Osirus. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the title page of the FL Studio reference manual. In the first video, we did an introduction to the manual, and this we'll just be checking out FL Studio. And yeah, let's dive into this. So on the title page, we have what FL Studio can do, and this just explains what FL Studio is and what FL Studio can do. So FL Studio is a full-featured music production environment capable of audio recording, sequencing. Okay, I skipped this multi-track audio recording. This is very important because there are music environments and audio workstations that are not capable of multi-track audio recordings. So you have audio recording, sequencing, mixing, mastering, MIDI support, rewire, and you can export your music to WAV formats, MP3, MIDI formats, OGG, FLAC, and so on. So what this means is FL Studio is a digital audio workstation capable of producing, editing, and engineering audio. So why do you want to buy FL Studio? So we have lots of digital audio workstations, but FL Studio has one thing that many other digital audio workstations don't have, at least many paid digital audio workstations don't have, which is lifetime free updates. So once you buy FL Studio once, you have it for life. And I love softwares like that. I love softwares I can buy once and I own it forever. So that's the first thing I love about FL Studio. And that's one reason why you need to buy FL Studio. So another reason you should consider buying FL Studio is that it has one of the best communities, one of the best audio communities I've ever used. And if you go to the site here, you can go to forums and you have lots of forums of different people talking about FL Studio and different things. So I think FL Studio is one of the most detailed, has one of the most detailed documentation online with official documentations and people talking about it. I think FL Studio has one of the most detailed online. Then FL Studio has good support and every other thing about a digital audio workstation we've talked about. So FL Studio can do anything a digital audio workstation can do. So another reason personally I like FL Studio is that I've tried different digital audio workstations and it's one of the softwares that comes with very good instruments right out of the box. So FL Studio comes with very good instruments. Every instrument you need is in FL Studio. You might want more, but everything you need is in FL Studio. So FL Studio is very flexible. It doesn't keep you locked into one production or into one composition workflow. So one thing people like about FL Studio is that you can put patterns anywhere. There are some digital audio workstations that keep you locked, like one instrument track keeps you locked into one track. So you have, for example, let me just delete all this. So you have your drums here, you have your keys here, you have your bass here. But in FL Studio, you can put your drums here and also put them here and also put them here and also put them here. So FL Studio is one of the most flexible digital audio workstations. Then, yeah, it has one of the best piano rolls. So I'm not hyping anything. I'm just telling you the truth. One thing FL Studio can't do as good as other digital audio workstations is handling audio. So audio editing is kind of lacking, but that was improved in FL Studio 21. But they still have lots of catching up to do with audio editing. So that's the title page here. So that's what FL Studio can do. So go through this and read through this. What's new in FL Studio 21? So the major update was with audio. FL Studio is now able to handle audio clips better. So I did a video of what's new in FL Studio 21. You can check that out in the description below. Or you can also come to the manual and check out the official video. So just go through this and look through what's new and see if this is good for you. So the setup wizard, we're not going to go through this. We'll go through this in another video. I don't want to repeat things. So how do you get FL Studio? That's the next question. Let's check this out. So you can download FL Studio. You can download the trial version from the ImageLine website. So if you just go to the ImageLine website, you can download FL Studio. This will download the trial version, and this gives you an opportunity to check out the software and to check if it's right for you. So the thing about the trial version is that you can't save things. So you can't save your projects. You can't save anything. So you can just check it out and make music with it and export. So if you want to purchase FL Studio, there are different ways you can purchase FL Studio. So let's check this out. FL Studio comes in 4 different versions. So you have the fruity version, you have the producer version, you have the signature version, and you have the all plugins edition. So this gives you access to different things. This is the cheapest, this is the most expensive. So if you scroll down, you can check out what you have here and what you don't have. So let's check the pricing of this. So this is $99, and if you're just getting started with music production, you can purchase this. Most people buy the producer edition and they just upgrade as time goes on. One thing about FL Studio is that aside the lifetime free updates we talked about in the last video, FL Studio gives you discounts. Like on your birthday, you get discounts. Black Friday, you get a discount. Christmas, you get a discount. So you have discounts throughout the year. So you might want to wait for one of those discounts if you can't pay the $199 or the $299. So I started by getting the producer edition, then I upgraded. I got this on my birthday. I upgraded on Black Friday, then I upgraded when I got another deal to the plugins edition. So I think the producer edition is fine if you are serious with music production. So if you are just trying to learn and play around with music, get the fruity edition. But the producer edition, if you want to get serious with music production, get the producer edition. So these are different versions of FL Studio. So you can compare them here and see which one is right for you. So how do you register FL Studio? You can use a registration key. You can request a registration key from ImageLine, and you can just put down your PC in your documents, then click it, double click it, and FL Studio will be registered. But the new way to do this is go to your options, go to about, open unlock window, then update or register your license. You see a space for you here to fill in your email and your password for your ImageLine account. So after you put that in, they send you a code to your email, and you can put that code into this another box here to register FL Studio. So that's how you register FL Studio. So in this video, we've gone through the title page of FL Studio, we've checked out what FL Studio is, what FL Studio can do, how to buy FL Studio, and where to get support for FL Studio. So apart from the official forum and the ImageLine YouTube channel, there are different guys that make tutorials for FL Studio, and I was able to learn from those guys, and I'll leave a link to some of their channels in the description below. So check those channels out. Great resources for learning FL Studio. And yeah, this is the second video in this series. I'll see you in the next video where we talk about the user interface of FL Studio.